Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely viewers will be fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life and always keep smile. So dear friends, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My lovely viewers, I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my previous videos, and also thanks to connecting with me and supporting me. So guys, today I have brought for you most beautiful, gorgeous and stunning designs of kitchen window. These articles are so beautiful, so ravishing and attractive, and I hope you will love and like these beautiful ideas and designs. If you want different ideas about your choices, then friends tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. In this video you can see 40 plus beautiful kitchen blinds. Vertical blinds are a great solution for the kitchen, providing exponential light control along with obscuring views from outside. Best choices for kitchen window treatments, more views, shutters, solar shades. Dear friends, take a look at these inspiring examples of stylish kitchen window blinds and wake up your creativity. In this video you can see top 40 plus kitchen window treatments. Please support my channel, please like and share my video with your friends and family members. You know my all previous videos related to decoration. For those people who love decoration industry to decorate your home, so this is a very beautiful and gorgeous ideas, designs for them. Dear friend, the center of family gatherings and where parties always seem to end up, the kitchen is one of the most highly trafficked rooms in the home, and with stylish window treatments, you can make your kitchen even more inviting. But before you choose your kitchen window treatments, you need to take into account where your windows are located. If they are near the sink, stove, or other food preparation areas where your sheds may come into contact with water, stream, or splatters, you might consider foxwood blinds. These beautiful windows are gorgeous for your kitchen. If your kitchen windows are in a safer location, you could also look at window treatments like Roman shades, ruler shades, and wooden wood shades, etc. It's a humble request. Please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to decoration. Kitchen is a very beautiful and peaceful area of your home. There you can cook food for your family members. You can sit together and do lunch, dinner, breakfast together and share their ideas with each other. Be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. I will meet you in my next video inshallah. So now guys, take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah bless you. Ameen. Remember me in your prayers.